up, $1 Million Babes, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be a rainbow haul. Y'all always sleep on rainbow, but baby, everyone always asks me whenever I wear their clothes, be like, where did you get that from? And when I say rainbow, baby, they be like, what? Okay, honey, so if you want to see more, make sure view, rate, and subscribe. Thumbs this video up, hit that bell so you be notified when I upload, and stay tuned. Alright, $1 Million Babe, let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be a rainbow haul. I pretty much just got bottoms. I didn't get any tops, so I'll be doing probably a review on tops later. But I just wanted some biker shorts. Like, I really been loving those, and then I got a few leggings. So I'm going to show y'all that. This is all what I got right here. I was like, I wore these ones today, y'all. So I said, let me go ahead and just do my haul today, because I just got home. I think it is going on, yes, 8:30 at night. So I said, let me go ahead and just film this video and get this over with, since I wore these ones today. And I just got some pink biker shorts. Got these in pink. So most of my stuff is actually like the biker shorts, which everyone has been loving, and they're colorful as well, so they're great for spring, summertime. I got these green ones, and I have been loving these colors, y'all. So, and these are like, you can tell they have the little ruching up in the front, and I love that as well. Show y'all those. Also got another pink pair, but let me just show y'all the difference in this. Got two pink pair. You can see like the color difference a little on camera, but this is like cotton and this is like more silk. So I got those two, and these were $6.99. I don't really remember, but I think these were like around the same price range as well. The green ones, of course the tag is missing on there. Let's see if they're on here. There's no price on there either. But yeah, I think most of them was like around maybe $7 or more. Of course I had to get me a black pair, honey, and these are actually the tummy control ones. And these were $6.99 as well. So you cannot go wrong with some black biker shorts. And then they're tummy control, so they hold that gut in, baby. Let me just do my other solid pant, then I'll show y'all the leggings, and then my printed pair of biker shorts. So these were also $6.99. So we're just gonna say all these were $6.99, y'all. And this is a cotton material, as you can tell. And this is like an orange pair. I don't have any orange biker shorts, so I went and got this as well. I'm sure it's focusing, it'll focus back on me. Yeah. And this is just a little orange pair. And then my next pair, I just love the print on these. The last two, these are actually some leggings. Isn't those so cute, y'all? And I don't really see, like, it says party, looking gorgeous every day, queen. So just a whole bunch of writing on the leggings, and I thought these were so cute. And these were actually $7.99. So yeah, y'all know y'all cannot go wrong with biker short and some leggings, baby. Throw on with your little cute crop top and you can go. You gotta look. So, and this is my last pair, and I just thought these were so cute. These look like the newspaper. Let me see if I can read what someone says. Arms to Meet Official Agency, Hollywood Bowl. So they just got different prints on there. That's that one. But they're like so cute, and they're stretchy, like around the top. So if you want to get those, you can definitely get them in like a smaller size. But most of mine are like 1X, 2X, because I like mine to be stretchy and comfortable. But yeah, they were so cute. And if I can see the price on these, no price on these as well. So we're just gonna say these $7 too. So yeah, but that was just my rainbow haul. I just want to come here real quick to show y'all that. Hope you all enjoyed it. Let me just show y'all my makeup as well for today, because I'm about to go take this face off. But yeah, also this is a transparent unit that I customized. If you would like that as well, I definitely leave my link down right here or down below, so make sure you check that out also. And view, rate, and subscribe, loves. Until next time, stay safe and stay beautiful, loves. Bye, y'all.